Daily advice from the heart. Day 197, meditation on unhappiness. The many conflicts within the human family and within one's own family, not to mention the conflicts within the community and between nations, as well as the internal conflicts within the individual. All conflicts and contradictions arise from the different ideas and views of intelligence our intelligence brings. So unfortunately, intelligence can sometimes create a quite unhappy state of mind. In this sense, intelligence becomes another source of human misery. Yet at the same time, I think that ultimately intelligence is the tool with which we can overcome all these conflicts and differences. Wise words to meditate on. Peace within for peace without.